is essential. You learn enough Arabic, at least that you can follow, right? Hopefully we all learn Arabic well and we can read and have on our own. But all of us need to make an intention to learn enough Arabic, at least that we can follow, right? At least we can read the words and follow and listen and research, even if we're not fluent. I mean, that's going to take a long time for all of us, right? But we need to understand that the major reliable text of our religion is in the Arabic language, and we have to get to them. And the translation, when people just translating for us, we're going to miss a lot. And if the persons are not trustworthy, we're going to miss a whole lot. And if they got an agenda, we're going to miss more than a whole lot. If they got an agenda, what they're trying to do, that's going to be real problematic, because they're going to intentionally leave stuff out. Or they're going to interpret in a way that's well known. No one interpret like that. So that's the point. But I ask and I request of you to be patient as we go through this process, right? Make an intention. We're going to go every other month. And every time you come, we're going to take a verse, we're going to take hadith, we're going to discuss all those issues. And we're going to go to the books. So this will give you the opportunity to actually have someone sit with you and open up books.